morning, students. Today we will be learning about some examples on the basis of our previous classes. So as you all know that in our previous class we have learned about parallel lines and its transversal. And on basis of parallel lines and its transversal we have learned about some angles. So today we will be learning about some examples on basis of those angles only. Means today we will be learning about how to prove the questions according to the given condition and according by the help of those angles which we have learned in our previous class. Okay, but before doing that, I am taking a doubt, as some students are getting doubt in question number 4 of exercise 6.2. Now what question number 4 says? In question number 4, it is given to us that if PQ is parallel to ST and angle PQR is equals to 110 degree and angle RST is equals to 130 degree, then we have to find angle QRS. Now listen, first I am drawing figure over here. Okay, what is the figure? Figure is something we have to draw like this for the figure. So now listen, according to this figure, what is given to us? Now given is that PQ is parallel to ST. So I am writing over here that PQ is parallel to ST as this is given to us. Then what else is given? That angle PQR is equals to 110 degree. And what else is given? That angle RST is equals to 130 degree. Is this clear? Now you can see in the figure also I have marked here that angle PQR is given as 110 degree and angle RST is given as 130 degree. Now what we need to find? We need to find is that angle QRS. We have to find angle QRS. Means this we need to find. Is this clear? Now before finding this, what we will do? We will be doing some construction over here. Now in this construction, what I am doing? I am drawing a parallel line through this point R. Okay. And this parallel line will be parallel to, this line will be parallel to ST. I am taking like this. So I am marking this as AB point. Okay. So I am writing here that draw a line AB parallel to ST passing through point R. Is this clear? Now you can see that I have taken AB parallel to ST. Okay. Now what we have to find? We have to find this angle. So what I am doing is, I will be writing over here that as we know that PQ is parallel to ST as it is given to us. So we can write it like this. And by construction, AB is parallel to ST. So what I can write? That PQ is parallel to ST is parallel to AB. think this is clear to all of you. Now we have to find this one. So what I'm taking first that as AB is parallel to PQ. Now you can see if I expand or if I extend this line towards this word like this. So you can see over here that this time PQ and AB are acting as parallel lines and QR is acting as a transversal over here. So what I am doing is, what I can write is from here that angle PQR is equals to angle QRB. Okay, because PQ is parallel to AB. So, what I can write? These are alternate angles. So, these are alternate interior angles. Is this clear? I think this is clear to all of you. Now, I'm writing it here. Okay. I'm writing it above that I can write it. Okay, I'm marking it like this as I have no space over here, so I can write it like this. So, I'm writing it that in place of PQR, what I can write? I can write 110 degree. Then we can write angle QRB as it is. And in bracket, I'm writing because angle PQR is equals to 110 degree. So, in next step, I can say that angle QRB is equals to 110 degree. So, we got that angle, this angle we got. So, angle QRB is equals to 110 degree. Okay. Now, we will be finding angle SRB by using AB parallel to ST. So, I am writing here as, okay, name this equation as equation number 1. So, I am writing here as AB is parallel to ST. Okay, AB is parallel to ST. So, you can see over here that AB is parallel to ST. If I extend it like this, now you can see it is clearly visible. And SR is acting as a transversal over here. So, we can use co-interior angle property over here. So, you can see here that as AB is parallel to ST, so I am writing angle RST plus angle SRB is equals to 180 degree. What is the reason? You all know that by co-interior angles we can write this. Okay. Now, in place of angle RST, what can I write? I can write it as 130 degree because it is given in the figure only and it is given in the question only. So, I am writing angle SRB as it is and 180 I am copying it as it is. Then, we can find angle SRB from here. So, what is the answer? What will be the answer? Angle SRB is equals to 50 degree. Is this clear? Now, what we can do? We can name it as equation number 2. Now, we will come to the point, we will come to the angle which we need to prove. And we need to prove is angle, we need to find is angle QRS. So, angle QRS, you can see according to the figure, angle QRS can be written as angle QRB minus angle SRB. Means if we subtract this angle from this whole angle, then what we will get? We will get the answer of this question mark. That means we will get the answer of angle QRS. So I am writing over here that angle QRS can be written as angle QRB minus angle RST. Angle QRB minus angle SRB. Yes or no? Now, in place of angle QRB, according to the first equation, we can write 110 degree. And in place of angle SRB, according to the second equation, we can write angle, as 50 degree. Now, we will get our final answer as angle QRS is equals to 60 degree. So, this is our answer. So, you have to mention reason over here that from equation number first and second, we got this. I think this example is clear to everyone. Please go through this, then you will get it more clearly. Then, you can write it side by side. Please students, you can write the notes side by side. You have to write it side by side in your notebook. Okay. Now, I'm starting with the example that we need to solve today. Okay. So, example number 1 is, if a transversal intersects two lines such that the bisectors of a pair of corresponding angles are parallel, then prove that the two lines are parallel. Now, for this question, no figure is given. We have to draw it ourselves. So, first we will be drawing figure according to the given condition. Okay, I am drawing it side by reading the statement. I am drawing over here. You can listen it. You can look it carefully. Please listen the statement, and according to that only I am making here. So, statement says that if a transversal intersects two lines, that means we have to take two lines like this, then we have to make a transversal over here. Is this clear? As in question, it was written that if a transversal intersects two lines, you can see over here, then such that the bisectors of a pair of corresponding angles. Now you can see that what are the corresponding angles over here? These are the corresponding angles. Yes or no? Now we have to take the bisectors of these corresponding angles. That means I am taking bisectors of these angles. As we need to take bisectors as it is given in the question, so I am taking that only. Okay. Now what we have to, and one more thing is given, that bisectors of corresponding angles are parallel. It is given that these are parallel, and this is the symbol for parallel lines. Is this clear? Now, then we have to prove that these two lines are parallel. Okay. Bisectors are parallel given to us. Bisectors of corresponding angles are parallel given to us, and we need to prove that these lines are parallel. Now, what I am doing is, I am just naming the figure. You can name it yourself. I am naming it according to me. You can name it according to you. Now, according to you, okay? You can name it according to your convenience. Now, listen. I have taken here A, B, C, D, then G, F, and I am writing it here as P, Q, and this I'm naming it as R. I'm naming it as S. Is this clear? One more thing, I'm marking here angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Now, first of all, what is given to us? So, given is that GF and PQ are bisectors of angle RGB and angle GPD respectively. Is this clear? Okay, this is given. And what else is given? That GF is parallel to PQ. This is given. Is this clear? Then what we have to prove? This time we need to prove. So what we have to prove? That AB is parallel to CD. Is this clear? Now, for proving AB parallel to CD, I'm using these lines GF parallel to PQ. So, I'm writing here that as GF parallel to PQ. Now listen, you can see here that GF is parallel to PQ and RS. You can see that if I extend it like this and like this, then RS is acting as a transversal line over here. So, I can write that as GF is parallel to PQ, then angle 1 is equals to angle 3 because of corresponding angles. Then angle 2 is equals to angle 4 again because of corresponding angles. That's what I'm writing here. That as GF is parallel to PQ, then I can write angle 1 is equals to angle 3 and angle 2 is equals to angle 4. So name it this as equation number 2, equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. And write the reason for both because of corresponding angles. Is this clear? Is this clear? Now, in next step, I am just adding my equation number 1 with equation number 2. That means, if I add equation number 1 with equation number 2, then we will add LHS with LHS and RHS with RHS. So, you can see by this equation in the figure. If I add equation number 1, LHS of equation number 1 with LHS of equation number 2, you can see here angle 1 plus angle 2 will become angle RGB and angle 3 plus angle 4 will become angle GPD. So, I am writing here that add equation first and second. Okay. So, after adding, it will become angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to angle 3 plus angle 4. Now, in place of angle 1 plus angle 2, according to figure, we can write angle RGB is equals to angle GPD. Okay. Is this clear? Yes. So, what you will observe here? These are coming equal also and these are making corresponding angles. As we have read the question, we have made the figure by that only. So, I can write here that also angle RGB and angle GPD are making. Okay, I am writing this statement over here. I am writing over here that as angle RGB and angle GPD are making corresponding angles and are equal also. So what I can say that so we can say that AB is parallel to CD. Is this clear? AB is parallel to CD. So this what we need to prove. So this was our two proof for this question. Okay. Now we are doing question number 6 of exercise 6.2. In this question again we need to prove the statement according to given condition. So first I am drawing the figure. Okay, now according to question it says that PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. You can see in the figure. An incident ray AB strikes PQ at B and then the reflected ray moves along BC. Okay, then it reflects again through along CD. You can see in the figure. Now what we have what it is given to us that PQ is parallel to RC. Okay, now what we have to prove? We have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. So to prove is AB is parallel to CD. Is this clear? Now before proving this I am just doing a construction. So I am taking two normals, one on PQ, another on it is acting as RS, another RS. So I am taking this as T point and this as G point and naming this angle as angle 1, this angle as angle 2. Similarly here name this angle as angle 3 and this as angle 4. Now we can write that draw TB and GC normal of PQ and RS respectively. Okay, and TB parallel to GC. Is this clear? I have taken this as construction that we have to draw TB and GC normals of PQ and RS respectively, and TB is parallel. Okay, you can write it here that such that TB is parallel to GC. Is this clear? Now first I am taking that, okay, first I can write that angle 1 is equals to angle 2 because of law of reflection, as you have already learned in your sciences that angle 1 is always equals to angle 2 if AB is acting as incident ray and BC is acting as reflected ray, as these are acting here as angle of incident and angle of reflection. So by law of reflection we can write that angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Then further we can write that angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Again, because of law of reflection, as you have already learned. Then what else we can write? That as, okay, I'm naming this as equation number 1, this as equation number 2. Now what else I can write? That as TB is parallel to GC, as TB is parallel to GC. So what I can write? That angle 2 is equals to angle 3 because of alternate interior angles. Okay, name this angle as, or this equation as equation number 3. Now I'm writing it here. That from equation number 2nd and 3rd, what I can write? From equation number 2nd and 3rd, I can write that angle 2 is equals to angle 3 is equals to angle 4. That means angle 2 is equals to angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Further, I'm naming it as equation number 4. Further, from equation number 1st and 4th, what we can write? That angle 1 is equals to angle 2 is equals to angle 3 is equals to angle 4. That means I can say that angle 2 is equals to angle 3, angle 3 is equals to angle 4, and angle 1 is already equals to angle 2, so I can write it like this. So I can say that 4 of them are equal. Now, as 4 of them are equal, as angle 1 is equals to angle 2 and angle 2 is equals to angle 3, what I can write? That I'm using from, okay, now equation number 3 can be written as twice of angle 2 is equals to twice of angle 3. What I have done, I have just multiplied 2 on both the sides of equation number 3. Now further, I can split twice of angle 2 as angle 2 plus angle 2 and angle twice of angle 3 as angle 3 plus angle 3. Now I will be using equation number 5 according to my need. Okay, so I can put in place of angle 2 as angle 1 because of equation number 5. So I am writing here in place of angle 2 as angle 1 and angle 2 I am writing it as it is. Then here also I am using using equation number 5 according to my use, that is I am writing in place of angle 3 as angle 4. So we can write because of from equation 5 we can write it like this. Is this clear? Now angle 1 plus angle 2, what can it be written by? From with the help of figure, what can we write? That angle 1 plus angle 2, it is making as angle ABC, and angle 3 plus angle 4, it is making as angle BCD. Now you can see here that angle ABC is equals to angle BCD. Angle ABC is equals to angle BCD. As these both are equal also and they are making alternate angles also. So what I can say? That AB is parallel to CD. So I am writing as angle ABC and BC angle BCD are making alternate interior angles. So we can write that okay, one more thing, and also are equal to one another. So, what we can say? That AB is parallel to CD. Okay. Now, listen class. What you have to do is, you have to revise these 3 questions. And then, please go through these questions. These are very important. And then if there is any doubt, then you can take it. Thank you. Take care.